how to find your transaction history of withdrawal on your TikTok account. Today guys, I will teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok and open it. When your TikTok is open, and you will just go here on your profile, open your profile. Then when you open your profile guys, you will just go here to this three line at the top of the screen. Then you will go to the bottom of the screen to settings and privacy, and after this you will go to balance, and then you will wait until balance is opening. You will go to this icon here and click on it. Then you will go to all type and change into withdrawal. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.